Hello everybody, once again you are welcome to this channel. This time we discuss about a very important topic in chemistry, that is parts per million. What is the use of ppm, what is the definition of ppm, and calculation of strength of solution in ppm unit. Okay, these all points we now try to understand that what is ppm, what is the unit of ppm or formula of ppm, and where the ppm unit is used, and its advantage of using from mass percent or mass percentage. Okay, ppm is ppm is abbreviated as parts per million. It is parts per million and defined as number of parts of component present in million, 1 million parts of the solution. It is defined as number of parts of the component present in 1 million parts of the solution. It is the definition of ppm. ppm is defined as number of parts of the component that is present in 1 million part of the solution. And its formula, if we write the formula of ppm, its formula is ppm equal to number of gram of solute taken by total weight of solute into 10 to the power 6. Okay, this is the formula of ppm, parts per million. Number of gram of solute taken divided by total weight of the solute that is taken, and into 10 to the power 6. It is the formula of ppm. Now we see an example. Suppose 0.003 gram of chlorine is dissolved in 500 ml of solution. 500 ml of water. So if 0.003 gram of Cl2 is dissolved in 500 ml of water, and if we want to calculate the ppm for this solution, then what we will have to do? We have to do the number of gram of solute that is present, or component that is present in the solution, is 0.003 divided by the total weight of the solute that is taken is 500 ml, and normally for water 500 ml H2O means generally we can take 500 gram. So for total weight of solute, total weight of solution, that is 500 gram into 10 to the power 6, and if we calculate this one, we get cancel 10 to the power 4 0. After coming it here, we write 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 10 to the power 3, so only 10, then 5 into 2, so that means 6 ppm. 6 ppm. 6 ppm is the concentration of the chlorine when 0.03 gram of chlorine is dissolved in 500 ml of water. The in parts per million unit, the concentration of chlorine present in water 6 ppm. 6 ppm is the concentration of chlorine present. So in this way we express the ppm unit and calculations in ppm unit. And for example, in atmosphere some pollutants are present, some gaseous pollutants are present. As for example, if we talk about NO2 pollutant, and it is present 5 ppm, 5 ppm NO2 present in the atmosphere, 5 ppm. What does we mean it? It means that in atmosphere 5 centimeter cube of NO2 is present in 1000 centimeter cube of air. 1000 centimeter cube of air contain 5 centimeter cube of NO2. Okay, and in this case for atmospheric pollution we calculate the volume of air, not the weight of air, or volume of pollutant, not the weight of pollutant. So in this way we can express the atmospheric pollutants concentration. Atmospheric pollutant concentration like NO2, it is present as atmospheric pollutant, harmful pollutant. So its concentration is expressed in ppm unit. It is one of the use of ppm unit. ppm unit is expressed where the very small amount of solute present. ppm unit is only be used where very small amount of solute, where very small amount of solute is present, in that time we use the unit ppm. Okay, so this one this one okay, we are making a problem here. This one is 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. It's a mistake here, that 5 centimeter cube of NO2 is present in 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube of air. I am mistaking it here. It is 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube of air. 1 million parts, so it is 5 centimeter cube in 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube of air. Okay, so now if we express this concentration in mass percentage, what will be the difference? What are the differences, or which one is most useful, mass percentage or ppm? Suppose 0.003 gram Cl2 is dissolved in 500 ml of water. In this case, mass percentage equal to weight of solute by volume of solution into 100. So in this case 0.003 by weight of solution, that is 500 gram, into into 100 into 100. So in this case what will be the result? We make 10 to the power 3 by shifting the decimal place 1 2 3 10 to the power 3, and cancelled here, only 10 is remaining. So the result is 100. Here it is 500. Volume of solution is 500. So it is 3 divided by 5000. 3 divided by 5000. Volume of solution in gram 500 ml. So 3 divided by 5000. What a problem is there? দিয়ে কেটে যায় তো। 2/5 into 6 into 10 to the power minus 4, and that is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, this is mass percentage. And this is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, this is the mass percentage of the chlorine for 500 ml H2O when dissolved in 500 ml of H2O, this gram of chlorine. So now the question is, express the concentration of this solution in 6 ppm or 6 into 10 to the power minus 4, which is better one? This one is better one. Okay, so therefore we use the ppm term for a solute that is present in very small amount in a solution. Okay, so this is the discussion about the ppm, parts per million. I think you understand this topic. If you have any problem about ppm, then you can comment me. I answer you that what is the solutions for your question. Thank you for watching this video, and you can watch the other videos that are uploaded in this channel. You can watch from the separate playlist for chapter wise playlist or some class wise playlist, and from there you can find all the videos from chemistry chapter.